Peshawar. The name itself evokes a sense of mystery and adventure. This ancient city, nestled in the heart of Pakistan, has been a crossroads of civilizations for millennia. It has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the ebb and flow of trade, and the fusion of cultures. Peshawar's story is etched in its bustling streets, its vibrant bazaars, and its magnificent monuments. From the legendary Silk Road to the mighty Indus River, Peshawar has always been a vital link between East and West. Its strategic location at the mouth of the Khyber Pass made it a gateway to South Asia. This unique position allowed it to become a melting pot of cultures and ideas, a place where East meets West in a harmonious blend. The city's history is a rich tapestry woven with threads of conquest, commerce, and cultural exchange. Over the centuries, it has been home to a myriad of peoples and traditions, each leaving an indelible mark on its character. The ancient market streets of Peshawar are a testament to its vibrant commercial past, where traders from distant lands once bartered goods and exchanged stories. Walking through the bustling bazaars today, one can still feel the echoes of those ancient traders. The vibrant colours, the aromatic spices, and the lively chatter all contribute to an atmosphere that is both timeless and dynamic. Peshawar's bazaars are not just places of commerce. They are living museums where the past and present coexist. The Silk Road, which once passed through Peshawar, was more than just a trade route. It was a conduit for ideas, art, and culture. The mighty Indus River, flowing near the city, has also played a crucial role in shaping its destiny. These natural and man-made routes have connected Peshawar to the wider world, making it a hub of interaction and exchange. The Khyber Pass, with its rugged beauty, has been both a barrier and a bridge. It has seen the march of armies, the caravans of traders, and the footsteps of pilgrims. This pass has been a silent witness to the many chapters of Peshawar's history, each one adding to the rich narrative of the city. Today, Peshawar continues to be a melting pot of cultures. Its markets are filled with a diverse crowd, each person a representative of the city's multifaceted identity. Cultural festivals bring together people from different backgrounds, celebrating the unity in diversity that Peshawar embodies. The city's architecture, from ancient forts to modern buildings, tells the story of its evolution. Each structure is a piece of the puzzle, contributing to the overall picture of Peshawar's enduring legacy. The panoramic views of the city reveal a landscape where history and modernity coexist in a delicate balance. As we explore the historical landmarks, we uncover the layers of Peshawar's past. These landmarks are not just remnants of history, they are active participants in the city's ongoing story. The ancient trade routes that once brought prosperity to Peshawar continue to influence its present and future. Today, the city stands as a testament to its rich past, offering a glimpse into a world of ancient traditions and modern aspirations. The modern skyline, juxtaposed with historical sites, reflects the dynamic nature of Peshawar. It is a city that honors its heritage while embracing the future. As we journey through its historical landmarks, explore its natural beauty, and immerse ourselves in its vibrant culture, we will discover the true essence of Peshawar. The city's natural beauty, from its lush landscapes to its scenic views, adds another layer to its charm. Let us begin our exploration of Peshawar, a city that embodies the spirit of Pakistan's vibrant heritage and its enduring connection to the world. Through its streets, its people, and its history, Peshawar invites us to experience a journey like no other. Peshawar's history is a testament to its strategic importance. Nestled in the Khyber Pass, it has been a gateway for invaders, traders, and pilgrims for centuries. This city has seen the rise and fall of numerous empires, each leaving an indelible mark on its cultural and historical landscape. It has been ruled by a succession of powerful empires, from the ancient Mauryas to the Grand Mughals. Each era brought with it a unique blend of culture, architecture, and traditions, enriching the city's heritage. Each of these empires left its mark on the city's cultural landscape, contributing to the rich tapestry of Peshawar's history. The remnants of these civilizations can still be seen today in the form of ancient ruins, monuments, and cultural landmarks. The Mauryan Empire, founded by Chandragupta Maurya in the 4th century BC, was one of the largest and most powerful empires of ancient India. Under the Mauryas, Peshawar became a significant center of trade and culture. The Mauryan influence is evident in the archaeological sites and ruins that dot the region. These remnants tell the story of a time when Peshawar was a thriving hub of commerce and culture. Under Ashoka the Great, Peshawar flourished as a center of Buddhist learning. Ashoka's patronage of Buddhism led to the construction of numerous stupas and monasteries, many of which still stand today as a testament to the city's ancient spiritual heritage. The Kushan Empire, which rose to prominence in the 1st century AD, made Peshawar its winter capital. The Kushans were known for their patronage of the arts and trade, and their influence can still be seen in the city's cultural and historical sites. The Kushans were patrons of the arts and trade, and their reign saw the flourishing of Greco-Buddhist art and architecture in the region. This period was marked by a fusion of Greek and Buddhist artistic traditions, resulting in unique and beautiful works of art. The Kushans' support for the arts led to the creation of stunning sculptures, paintings, and architectural marvels. These artifacts provide a glimpse into the rich cultural life of Peshawar during the Kushan era. Their reign saw the flourishing of Greco-Buddhist art and architecture in the region. The iconic Kanishka stupa, built by the Kushan Emperor Kanishka, was once one of the tallest structures in the world. The Kanishka stupa, a marvel of ancient engineering, stood as a symbol of the Kushan Empire's grandeur and its commitment to Buddhism. Today, its ruins continue to attract historians and tourists alike. This towering structure was not only a religious monument, but also a beacon of the empire's architectural prowess. Its remains are a poignant reminder of the city's illustrious past. The Mughal Empire, founded by Babur in the 16th century, brought a new era of prosperity and cultural brilliance to Peshawar. The Mughals were known for their grand architectural projects and their love for gardens and art. The Mughal era saw the construction of beautiful gardens, palaces and mosques, many of which still stand today. These structures are a testament to the Mughals' architectural genius and their appreciation for beauty and symmetry. The Mughal Emperor Akbar the Great recognized the city's strategic importance. He strengthened its fortifications and developed its infrastructure, ensuring that Peshawar remained a vital link in the empire's vast network. Akbar's efforts transformed Peshawar into a well-fortified city with robust infrastructure. The roads and buildings from this era reflect the Mughals' commitment to creating a strong and prosperous empire. Peshawar became a vital link in the Mughal road network, connecting the empire's heartland in India to its Central Asian territories. This network facilitated trade, communication and cultural exchange, further enriching the city's heritage. The roads built during the Mughal era were not just pathways for trade, but also conduits for cultural exchange. They brought people, ideas and goods from different parts of the empire, making Peshawar a melting pot of cultures. Peshawar's Mughal heritage is evident in its architecture, gardens and cuisine. The city's old quarter is a labyrinthine network of narrow streets and bustling bazaars, reminiscent of its Mughal past. The old quarter, with its narrow streets and bustling bazaars, is a living testament to the city's vibrant history. Here the past and present coexist, offering a unique glimpse into Peshawar's rich cultural tapestry, reminiscent of its Mughal past. The old quarter is a place where history comes alive. The sights, sounds and smells of the bazaars transport visitors back in time, providing a sensory experience of the city's storied past. From the grandeur of its empires to the resilience of its people, Peshawar's history is a testament to its enduring spirit. The city's ability to adapt and thrive through the ages is a reflection of the strength and resilience of its inhabitants. Peshawar's history is a testament to its enduring spirit. Its grand historical structures and resilient communities stand as a testament to the city's rich and diverse heritage, a legacy that continues to inspire and captivate. No journey to Peshawar is complete without a visit to the legendary Khyber Pass. This iconic passageway has been a focal point of history, culture and commerce for centuries. This narrow mountain pass, carved through the Hindu Kush mountain range, is not just a geographical feature, but a symbol of resilience and connectivity. It has been a vital trade route and a strategic military objective for centuries, serving as a lifeline for countless civilizations. The Khyber Pass connects Peshawar to Kabul, the capital of Afghanistan, creating a bridge between two significant regions. It has served as a gateway between South Asia and Central Asia for millennia, facilitating the exchange of goods, ideas and cultures. The pass has witnessed the passage of armies, traders and travelers for over 2,000 years, each leaving their mark on its storied path. Alexander the Great and his armies marched through the Khyber Pass in 327 BC, a testament to its strategic importance even in ancient times, as did the Mongol hordes of Genghis Khan in the 13th century, who used the pass to expand their vast empire. The British, during their rule in India, recognized the strategic importance of the Khyber Pass and fought numerous campaigns to control it. They built fortifications and outposts, leaving behind a legacy of military architecture that still stands today. Today, the Khyber Pass is a popular tourist destination, attracting visitors from around the world who come to marvel at its natural beauty and historical significance. Offering breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains and a glimpse into the region's rich history, the pass is a must-visit for any traveler. Visitors can explore the ancient fortifications that dot the pass, each telling a story of the battles and empires that once vied for control. Including the Jamrud Fort, built by the Sikh Empire in the 19th century, which stands as a monument to the region's turbulent past. The Khyber Pass is a reminder of Peshawar's historical significance as a gateway between East and West, a crossroads of civilizations. A journey through the Khyber Pass is a journey through time where the echoes of ancient footsteps can still be felt. It is a testament to the enduring spirit of adventure and the interconnectedness of civilizations, a place where history and nature converge in a breathtaking display. Section 4, Shahi Bagh and Bala Hisar Fort, Jewels of Peshawar. Within Peshawar, amidst the bustling city life, lie oases of tranquility and historical grandeur. Shahi Bagh, meaning royal garden, is one such sanctuary. This sprawling garden, established during the Mughal era, is a testament to the Mughal love for nature and aesthetics. Shahi Bagh is home to a variety of trees, flowers and fountains, providing a welcome respite from the city's heat and noise. The garden also houses the Peshawar Museum, which boasts a rich collection of artifacts from the region's long and storied past. From ancient Gandhara sculptures to Mughal miniatures, the museum offers a fascinating glimpse into the artistic heritage of Peshawar. Overlooking the city from a strategic vantage point is the Bala Hisar Fort. This imposing fortress, whose origins date back to the Mughal era, has served as a seat of power for various empires that ruled Peshawar. The fort offers panoramic views of the city and its surroundings, including the Khyber Pass. Today, Bala Hisar Fort houses a military museum showcasing the military history of the region. A visit to Shahi Bagh and Bala Hisar Fort offers a glimpse into Peshawar's royal past and its enduring connection to its history. Section 5. A Valley of Contrasts, Nature's Embrace in Peshawar. Peshawar is located in the heart of the Peshawar Valley, a fertile plain watered by the Kabul River. The valley is renowned for its natural beauty, with its lush green fields, orchards laden with fruits, and snow-capped mountains in the distance. The valley's diverse landscape supports a variety of flora and fauna. The surrounding hills are covered with pine and oak forests, home to a variety of wildlife, including leopards, wolves, and monkeys. The Peshawar Valley is a birdwatcher's paradise, with over 200 species of birds recorded in the region. Hazar Khani Lake, located on the outskirts of Peshawar, is a popular spot for picnics and boating. The lake is surrounded by hills and offers stunning views of the surrounding countryside. The Peshawar Valley is a testament to the harmonious coexistence of man and nature. The people of Peshawar have a deep respect for their natural environment and strive to preserve its beauty for future generations.